Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet potato cheesecake bars. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 package of white cake mix, a half a cup of butter, and you want to cube that, so that's 1 stick. 1 package of cream cheese softened to room temperature, so that's an 8-ounce package. A half a cup of sugar, 3 eggs at room temperature, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 3 cups of cooked and mashed sweet potatoes. So I just did 3 medium sweet potatoes and I did not measure to see if it was exactly 3 cups. And then also 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees and spray a 9x13 baking dish with cooking spray. In a large bowl, I have my cake mix and my butter, and we are just going to cut that in until it's crumbly. I just cut mine together just using my hands. I feel like that's just the best way. And then you just want to go ahead and press it into your prepared 9x13 baking dish. Next, in a large bowl, we're going to beat our softened cream cheese, sugar, 1 egg, and then 2 tablespoons of our sweetened condensed milk until it's smooth. That looks good. So now in another bowl, we are going to stir together our sweet potatoes, the other 2 eggs, the remaining sweetened condensed milk, and our pumpkin pie spice. And we're just going to mix that until it's all incorporated. That looks great. So we are going to go ahead and pour this evenly over our crust. That looks great. So now you just want to dollop your cream cheese mixture all over the sweet potato layer. That looks great. So now you just want to cut through the cream cheese mixture with a knife just to make the swirl patterns into the sweet potatoes. That looks great. So now we are going to get this into the oven until it's golden on top. So that's about 45 minutes. My brownies just came out of the oven and they smell amazing. So now we have to let them cool, and I'll cut them into bars and see what Taste Tester thinks. I cut a piece here for Taste Tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And like, subscribe.
Happy Thanksgiving.